Top 10 News at 10. I am Antara. Soon, we may need vaccination passports to travel. So, what is a vaccination passport? A vaccination passport or pass is documentation proving that you have been vaccinated against COVID-19. In order to travel internationally, government and health authorities will need to know if you have been vaccinated or tested negative for the virus. Such passes could be essential to restart the tourism industry. Government notifies new OTT rules and code for digital and social media apps. Some of the new changes include strict oversight mechanism involving several ministries. Also, these platforms will be banned from telecasting content that affects the sovereignty and integrity of India and that which threatens national security. Zomato hikes delivery partners' salaries to compensate them for higher fuel prices. Online food delivery unicorn Zomato has increased the salaries of its delivery partners by 7 to 8% to make up for the increased prices of petrol and diesel. The company will bear the cost of increased remuneration itself and would not pass it on to the customers or restaurants. American conglomerate AT&T is turning DirecTV into a standalone company. Haptik launches AI-powered voice assistant for e-commerce shopping. GeoHaptic Technologies, a conversational AI company and a subsidiary of Reliance Jio Platforms, has announced the launch of its new product, Buzzo, an AI-powered voice assistant to improve the digital shopping experience. According to Haptik, Buzzo brings the simplicity of an in-store assisted experience to apps and websites navigating through the variety of product choices using a voice-enabled interface. IIM Ahmedabad incubator CIIE.co invests in health tech startup Comofi Medtech. Bangalore-based healthcare robotics startup Comofi Medtech has raised a total of rupees 2.15 crore from IIM Ahmedabad's incubator CIIE.co, Jito Angel Network and KIIT Technology Business Incubator. The funds will be deployed for team expansion, product compliance, certification and working capital needs. EdTech startup Doubtnut raises $31 million. SIG Investments leads the round. EdTech startup Doubtnut has raised rupees 224 crore in a round led by Hong Kong-based venture capital firm SIG Investments and James Murdoch's Lupa Systems. Existing investors Sequoia Capital India, Omidyar Network India and Waterbridge Ventures also participated in this round. With this round, the EdTech startup has raised close to $50 million till date. Agritech startup Clover launches D2C app. Agritech startup Clover, which sells fresh fruits and vegetables, has launched its direct-to-customer app Deep-Rooted as it moves away from its business-to-business model to focus on a direct-to-customer business strategy. Infra.Market becomes India's newest unicorn with $100 million fundraise. 4-year-old Infra.Market has raised $100 million in a Series C round led by Tiger Global. Existing investors including Fundamental, Accel Partners, Nexus Venture Partners, Evolvence India Fund and Systema Asia Fund also participated in the round. It valued the Indian startup at $1 billion. Newsela, the replacement for textbooks, raises $100 million and becomes a unicorn. Newzilla, a SaaS platform for K-12 instructional material backed by TCV, Kleiner Perkins and Owl Ventures, has raised $100 million in a Series D round. The financing was led by new investor Franklin Templeton and raises the valuation to $1 billion. The new round is larger than the aggregate of Newzilla's prior capital raised to date. That's all for today's bulletin. Thank you for watching. We have over 400 startups and MSME shows on our YouTube channel. Do check out. You can also follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or visit our website www.mystartuptv.in for exclusive interviews and programs. Thanks for joining.